Let's talk about cleaning and clean water. I use distilled water when I'm mixing my paints because it's just a little bit purer than the kind of water that you get out of the tap. But I will confess that when I wash my brushes, I just use water from the sink. And as a matter of fact, I consider it pretty essential because what I want is running water. However, we can't get you guys, camera people, into the bathroom where I do my washing of brushes, so I'm going to improvise here. Here's a nice dirty brush. It's got a lot of paint on it, and I don't want the paint to dry in here. You know what? You can't let paint dry inside a brush. As a matter of fact, as soon as you use it and you're done with it, you basically want to run and clean it, okay? So the first thing I do is I swish it around in the water, and then it gets a little bit clean. Okay, the water's running, pretend the water's running, and then I take, and this is ivory soap, a nice mild soap, and then I go like this. Actually, depends on the brush. Okay, let's say it's a lettering brush. Then I'm only going to go this way, and I'm going to be very, very gentle. Very, very gentle. And then I'm going to go like this. This is all going on under running water. Okay. And then more running water, more running water, more running water. And then take a look at the guy, and if it's okay, then fine. Otherwise, repeat, and then you're going to store it upright. You're going to shape the brush however it's meant to be shaped, pointy or square or whatever. Shape the brush, and make sure it's dry all along here. All right, and then just store it upright. Brushes are expensive, and I do not buy my brushes with a mail order. I always go to the store and buy the brush. And I bring some water along with me, and I actually put the brush in some water and see whether or not it's a well-made brush, because brushes vary in terms of, well, the quality of how they're made. It doesn't really matter how good the company is. There's always going to be some brushes that might not quite be as perfect as others. So you want to literally choose your own brushes, so that eliminates mail order. That's my recommendation.